Honor has announced its new tablet, the Honor Pad 10. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos, thanks. The new tablet has a more powerful processor and a bigger battery, despite being thinner than its previous model. There will be IPS LCD touchscreen display with a 12.1 inches display screen size, and it has a 1600 by 2560 pixel resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. There are also a handful of eye safety features. The tablet is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. The tablet has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. There is an 8 megapixel camera on the both sides. The tablet packs with a much larger battery. The battery capacity is 10,100 mAh. The maximum charging speed is 35 watts. That's all for now and thanks for watching.